What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now, in today's video, what I want to do is break down the timeline on how fast things can realistically happen for you when you start to do affiliate marketing or you join a home business online. A lot of people are asking me, Garrett, I love what you're doing. I love the affiliate marketing model and, creating passive income online, but I don't have a following, right? I see you have some YouTube subscribers, you have some Facebook followers. I don't have a following at all. How long is this going to take me? Right? Or maybe you're working a job right now and you don't have a lot of free time. How many, days is this going to actually take for you to see results? Well, what I want to do is by the end of this video, have you walking away with a realistic expectation and overview of how long things can actually take and what you should do during each phase of your campaign online. Okay, so if you're excited to learn that, be sure to click the like button below to let me know. Also be sure, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe below and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest daily videos. But last but not least, what I want to do is just dive right in. So what you have to understand is, let's say this is a timeline. Okay, this is a timeline right here. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, now this timeline is you starting from 0, okay, and let's say going out 90 days, okay? 90 days is, 3 months, and that's a good amount to, first off, just have in your mind, right? A lot of people, when they come online, they're hurting, right? They need money now. And yes, you can definitely start making money. I mean, even people who decide to join me and decide to work with me through the link below, many do in their first day or very first week earn, all their money back from the investment, and, they start making great money. But 90 days is really what the momentum factor is going to be. And I'm going to get more into that in a second. But let's just say 0 to 90 days, okay? So this is you find a product online, maybe an affiliate product. Again, maybe you join a home business and you're starting to go out there and promote. So the first 0 to 30 days, rather, the first 0 to 30 days, okay, is a specific thing you want to do. So from this period of time, 0 to 30 days, what you want to realize is that period of time is called the data gathering period, okay? What you want to realize is that for the first 30 days, when you go to promote something new online, you want to focus on gathering as much data and information on what's working, what you should not be doing. Okay, so what do I mean by this? What I mean is, there's lots of ways to promote a product online. You can go to Facebook, you can go to YouTube, you can go to Twitter, Craigslist, you can do paid advertising. In the first 30 days, when you go out there and start to promote something, you want to test many different methods, especially if you're brand new and have never done anything like this before. You want to test many different marketing methods, okay, like Facebook. Okay, you want to be posting on Facebook. You want to try, YouTube videos. Okay, you're going to try Craigslist. Basically, you just want to be taking a lot of action and really just testing out, okay, different methods to get the word out on your business. This is the first 0 to 30 days. And again, it does not take long during the day. It only takes about 30 to 60 minutes a day. But in that period of time, you want to be posting on different places, okay? Because again, we want to be emotionally unattached to the outcome for this first 0 to 30 days. And again, you will have sales coming in if you're following the blueprint. You will have money depending on what program you join, and if you position yourself high up in the program to earn, big commissions, you can make, $1,000 your first week, right? In many cases. But what you want to realize is you're gathering data. Now, what happens from 30 to 90 days? Okay, because that's what I want to share right now. After you've gathered data, the next thing you want to do is you want to, on that 30th day or so, and it's not written in stone, but after about a month, you want to step back, go through your Facebook, go through the Craigslist ads you've posted, go through if you've did any YouTube videos, and what I want you to do is really look and observe your results. Okay, again, emotionally unattached, because some people will look at the results and they'll not feel great and they'll get, they won't feel as motivated. But again, you want to be emotionally unattached, because the beauty of this phase is you're going to learn what works. That's the main goal of the first 30 days, is to learn what works. So, for example, let's say after 30 days, you take a step back, you look at your Facebook, and you realize that maybe you only got 3 sales from Facebook. Okay, and how do you know where the sales are coming from? Good affiliate programs will actually have built-in tracking software that will allow you to track what platform your sales are actually coming from. This is what you're going to be able to look at to know, oh, Facebook only got me 3 sales after 30 days. Well, Twitter got me, 7 sales. So, maybe Craigslist got you 0 sales. So by tracking it, and again, the link below, that program, the reason I like it is it actually comes with a tracking software. But the reason you want to look at the data is you want to see what site, maybe Craigslist got you 0 sales. Okay, well, for the next 30 to 90 days, you do not want to be doing Craigslist. It's a waste of time. Maybe you've heard of the 80-20 principle, right? Where it says that 80% of our results come from 20% of our action. Well, that's exactly right, and that's what we want to do. We want to find out what is the 20% of sites that are giving us 80% of the money in the sales, and we want to, for the next 30 to 90 days, take consistent daily action, producing content, posting, only on those platforms that are working. Okay, you also want to be looking at what type of posts. Let's say Facebook got you 5 sales. Well, what on Facebook? What type of posts? What time of day? Right? Really look at it with a fine-tooth comb, gathering and assimilating and analyzing the data, right? What time of day did you post? Did it work better when you posted at night than in the morning? And what you want to do is develop for yourself after that 30 days, a game plan that you can follow. So this is implementing the game plan. Okay, so once you find out what works, let's say, and by the way, you only want to pick about 2 traffic methods, okay, for the rest of the 30 to 90 days, okay? So even if, let's say, 5 different ones worked, you're going to really be overdoing it, okay? You want to go deep with a few rather than wide and barely, okay? So again, for the next 30 to 90 days, you want to start implementing it. Now, to share a quick story with you, when I first got started online, I did this exact structure. So I got online, I had a product I was going to promote, and I went out there, and I had never done anything like this before. I didn't have a following. I didn't know what was going to work, but the first 30 days, I went out there and I posted on Facebook. I posted on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Craigslist. I virtually posted everywhere I could, Pinterest. And what I did was, after about 30 days, I looked and I realized that for me, where most of my sales were coming from were Facebook and YouTube. Facebook and YouTube. Now, it's going to be different for you. That's why you want to go through this thing. Maybe you don't like doing YouTube videos. Well, then obviously you probably won't get as good results, okay? So you still want to do it yourself. But that's what happened to me. And so for the next 30 to 90 days, and even today, I mainly just do Facebook and YouTube. Okay, and I'm branching out on paid ads and stuff like that, but I still did that, but I initially started with the first 0 to 30 days, okay? So I wanted to shoot this video because a lot of people were wondering, how do they find out what works? What traffic method should they do? Again, you're going to find that out by taking action on a lot and then adjusting to the feedback, seeing what's working, seeing what's not, scaling up, putting more effort and attention into what's working, stopping what's not working, and then building on your momentum. Continually to post, sharing results on things that you achieved here. That's going to get you more and more sales, and then you just keep scaling, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video on the timeline of what you can expect. If you liked this and you want me to make more, click the like button below to let me know. Also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you want to discover my #1 affiliate marketing business that covers everything A to Z with no missing pieces, go to the first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.